દેખાય શેર કરીને
તમે ગૂગલ મીટ પીસી માંથી અટેન્ડ કરો તો થશે. ગૂગલ મીટ છે ને
મીટિંગ ચાલુ કરી દો પીસી માં
તો થઈ. મારું ના આપી શકું તો હું શું કરું? Okay, student, today I will give the demo of Android program. Student, first you start the Android Studio, then choose option Start new Android Studio project. Choose blank activity. Then next, student, here some option is here. First option is the name of your project. Okay, student, first is the name of your project or application. Ready? So I change my app. Student, package name. It is a default package. Ready? Our all class interface or UIs that stored here. Ready? So com.mp.myapp is a structure of package path. I change. I'll change. Suppose com.rn. Rn means Ravi Nimawat. Dot myapp. Student, it is a save location. Means our project gets saved in that locations. Ready? And language. So you create a Java application using two languages, Java and Kotlin here. But ના આવી રહ્યું ચાલુ જ છે
ના ચાલુ જ છે
તમે નીકળી ગયા
સ્ક્રીન શેર બંધ થઈ ગયું
હા એ થઈ ગયું હશે
સર સ્ક્રીન ઇઝ નોટ વિઝિબલ
હા હા ready okay student so here we choose the Java language why so it is in our syllabus ready then finish okay student so student it is our project structure ready okay student so first properly install the Android then start the Android choose the new project then fill the appropriate information like project name package name ready then next and finish but when we choose the start of new project at that time we will choose a blank activity ready okay student then when we press on the finish button at that time our project or program will open in Android Studio ready okay student Okay, student. First, I will explain the structure of Android. Ready? File and folder structure. Then we will start our practical. Clear? Okay, student. Here is the app, means application folder or application package. In application package, one sub package is there. It is a manifest file. Ready? So manifest file that available in manifest now, uh, that available in manifest package. And in manifest package, one file is there in Android. एक मिनट. So student, Android manifest.xml file. What's the use of that file? The content of this file is all the setting and configuration of our project or applications. I think already we have discussed it. Ready? So all the configuration, it is a configuration file, and we enable or disable all the setting in Android manifest.xml file. Then student, next folder is the Java folder. In this Java folder, one Java class is there. It is a main activity. Student, main activity means it is a main screen that handle the main screen of our Android program. Ready? So starting we just use the one activity and one UI. Then we do the advanced practical. At that time we will use the एक मिनट आने. So it is a main activity. When we run the Android application, at that time this class will run. Okay student, then RES folder. RES folder have one layout folder and it have one activity underscore main underscore XML file. Ready? So student, it is our UI file. Okay. So in activity underscore main.xml file, we will create our UI. Ready? So I will do the demo. First text view, then width width is a match parent. Then height is the web content. Then student text. Okay. Text view width is the match parent. Height is the web content. Then text. Okay. So student, what is text view? Text view, it is like label in HTML. So I have create one label in our UI file. Ready? Then run. Time लागશે.
નેટ સર હલકું હલકું
એમ નહીં. હાલો મ્યુઝિક વગાડે એ કોણ હોઈ શકે?
આમાં વગાડ
સર માઇક ઓફ છે. Hello, sir. You are not audible, sir. Mic off.
Okay, student. I have run the first program Pranam to God, but how I will give you. એક મિનિટ કોણ છે યાર આને કઈક કરવું તો પડશે હો. જેવા બોલવા જાય ને તો તરત મ્યુઝિક વગાડે. બીજું હજી એક છે પકડવો તો જોશે. હવે હવે ને એક કામ કરજો તમે ગમે એક છે ને okay student so first you start the Android Studio, then I just give the demo of UI, how to create UI. So first I have create one label in activity main.xml file. So what is the location of that file? So that file is available in layout folder. So here I just create the text view. Text view is a like label in other programming language. Ready? And some property we have to assign to that text view. So what is the first property? The first property is the Android layout width. Means what's the width of our text view? So width is the match parent. Match parent means the width of text view is fit to our device. It is fit to our device. And what is the height of that text view? So height of that text view is a web contents, means the height is a fit to our text. Web contents means it is fit to our text, and width means it is a match parent. Match parent means it is fit to our device. So match parent and field parent both are same. Ready? Clear? So I just create one text view, and that text view just that text view have one text. What is the text? It is a Pranam to God. I have just assigned some type of property in text view and just run it. So here we have one output, Pranam to God. Ready? Okay. So observe that here is the text Pranam to God that display in our device. Clear? Student? Okay. So student, first I just discuss with you all types of UI. Then we will start our coding, means programming. But in starting practical, we just discuss the our UI programming, means how to design the UI. Then we implement the code on that UI. But after some lecture, clear? Huh. Okay, student. Student, our first topic is layouts. Student, there are various layouts are available in Android. But what's the use of layouts? So student, using layout, we can arrange our UI in different ways. Ready? So each layout have its own specific pattern for arrange the UI. Ready? So our parent UI is the student of first parent UI is the layouts and sub UI is the our UI. એ કોણ હતું ધીરુભાઈ કોણ હતા હા એ ક્યાં છે દેખાડો તો નંબર એના ખબર છે નથી લેવા આવે કોઈ એક મિનિટ એન્ટર નથી થવા
નંબર અનનોન નામ એમને મજા આવી
સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં આપણે લેક્ચર મોડો સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યો એટલે બધાને એન્ટ્રી દઈ દીધી એટલે ઓકે સ્ટુડન્ટ સો our first layout is the linear layout. Ready? And I will demonstrate the linear layout in Android Studio. So student, here our parent layout is the constraint. I will change constraint to linear layout. Ready? Okay. So student, I change the constraint to linear layout. Now our layout is linear. Clear? क्या है वो મેસેજ કરવા આવ્યો ને વયો ગયો ને આવી
વાત છો અમે સરી અમે you are doing this
Okay, student. Suppose, student, I have selected the linear layout. Okay. What are the main properties of linear layout? First is the width. So it is a match parent. Then height, it is also match parent. And what is the context of main activity? Ready? Okay, student. Button. So button is a web content, height also web content, width and height. Then student text. Text is a button one. Button one. And student one another important property is the ID. So student, what is ID? The student ID is a property of Android, and using ID property we can uniquely differentiate the each control or each UI. If you want to differentiate uniquely each UI, at that time we have to use the ID property. Clear? So what is the syntax of ID? So Android colon ID equal @ plus means assign ID. Ready? And btn1 is the ID name. Ready? Okay, student. Okay, then background color. Okay, run our app. Button one is displaying output, student. Okay, then I will change the property means background color of the this button. Ready? So I choose the background property, background color, and I will assign the some value, hexa value like 358A32. Okay, then we will check which color is display. Ready? Green color. So student, I have add one button in linear layout. Same way student, I add another button. Just copy and paste. Here button 2. Here ID is also button 2. And background color is a 0058 B6. બસ આવી જશે એક
એવું હોય તો પેલા અહીંની
આની લઈ લો. Okay, student. I also one meeting, so I'll complete our lecture here. In next lecture, I'll give the full demonstration of linear layout. Ready? Okay, thank you.
attendance.
લેવાય લેવાય શાંતિ રાખો